iPod Nano 5th generation battery replacement. Is not really easy to do, so if you don't have some experience, I don't really advise to do this. So maybe it's better to send it to a replacement or service center or something like that, because they're not very easy to do. So just start from the bottom, try to pull this out, and underneath you have 3 screws. Try to remember the order, because on these devices they use different type of screws, and if you put one in the wrong place, it will be difficult to close it, or you'll have different problems. So first of all, just remove the screws. Okay. The next step is to remove this aluminum bit from the connector. Try to use some tweezers or something just to make it come out. Okay. Next step will be to remove this camera lens, because underneath there will be a security pin. So to do that, the easiest way to remove this is by using a blade, or the shaving blade. That will be really easy. Just try to go gently underneath on the side till you make a small gap, and after just slide it in, so you can lift this up. After you lift it up, you can see that is a white security pin. So this one, you just need to lift it up, and it will come off. This will release the click wheel. So now you just need to take it out. Just find a small space gap, so you can make enough space to go in. Okay, and now you just need to disconnect it. Okay, and this is how you remove the click wheel. Now what you need to do is to take the glass off. So apply some pressure on the bottom to make the touchscreen, to make the glass be more soft when you take it out. Just slide in this and try to lift the glass off. It's in place with some double-sided tape, so gently try to pry it off. Don't forget to take the top bit off as well. So, remove this. Okay, underneath there is the power switch, and you'll have 2 more screws. Lift up this, so you can see the switch. Be careful with this flex, because it's so thin, very fragile. the way you do it is better if you take this off from the metal shield. Just slide something on the back between the ribbon flex and the aluminum frame, because like that will be more easy to go in to be able to take the board apart. And now you just need to slide the board out. Yep. So inside here you have another security clip, and what I normally do, I just slide something on the back of the battery, because there is some tape that holds the battery stuck to the body, so you need to make it to be more soft to be able to take it off more easily. Okay, now as you see, it's coming out. This one was never open, so it's very difficult because there is still glue on the back of the battery. Just be careful, gently, so you don't damage the screen and the switch. Okay, it's out. Very difficult. Okay, now to replace the battery. It's not that difficult. You require some soldering iron for this. Tape here, which we need to take it off. Be careful because there is a ribbon flex stuck here, so you don't damage it. Okay, take this off, put it separated. And when you lift this, the power switch is stuck to the battery, so gently pry it off from the battery and be careful you don't damage it. Okay, once you've done that, the battery can come like this. There is another sticker on the battery pin. Okay, and now you can take the battery off. Don't pull when you try to take the battery, just one by one till it's warm enough, so you don't damage the battery pin. Okay, now you just need a new battery. Which you can solder in the same way. Okay. Now the battery is back. Don't forget to put the protection over. Okay. As I said, it's not an easy job to do. You can clean the screen after you'll install it back if it's dirty or something like that. Don't worry for now, just take just be careful that the screen to be clear. So to put it back, start with the power button, switch, just slide it in very easily. Don't do it in a hurry, and always check the power switch goes and moves around with the screen in the same time. If not, you may cut the power button. Gently push in. Be careful when you reach the top. Okay. Now it's all up to the end. Now you just need some alcohol to clean the screen. I use ethanol to clean it. You can clean the glass as well. Okay. If you are happy how clean it is, you can fit it back. Start from the bottom, slide that in, and after put it back. If the glue doesn't hold, use some double-sided tape on the sides and that should do the job. Okay, now you need to put this clip back. That goes there. Close this. Need to connect back the click wheel. Okay. And just check it before to be sure that it's closed. Put it back. And you can put the security pin on the back so it doesn't fall out. Just push it in. That's it. Okay. You can start from the top, from the bottom, doesn't matter. We just need to put all the bits back now. So this one goes here. Put the screw back. One more. Okay. And this will go back here. Again, if it doesn't stay stuck, what you need to do is to take some double-sided tape and just put it there. Now we need to put the switch back. Just find the right position. Which is like this. Okay. Just be really careful on this ribbon because it's very, very thin, very fragile. Slide it in and now put the screws back. After you change the battery, you need to connect it to power so he will start up. Okay. Put this back in place. So to be sure that is in place, stick it on the button. Okay, now goes over the top. That's it. Check if it's working. You must feel that you click. So as you see, the battery is working. The unit power is on. And don't forget to put this back. This is the camera lens, so put it back. That's it. As I said, it's not an easy repair to do, to change the battery in this model, but can be done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.